Today, we are discussing scatterplot matrices, which is used when you want to find the relationships between more than two numerical variables. So you come to Graphs, Chart Builder, and then you come to Scatter or Dots, and then you drag this particular diagram here into this section. And then the numerical variables that you are interested in, you drop them in the scatter matrix. So steady hours, GPA, and then OK. Now this is your matrix. And then this is how you interpret your scatterplot matrix. When you take age and then steady hours, you realize that most of the points are clustered below, and then a few of them are dispersed above, which means that the relationship between age and then steady hours is a negative relationship. The younger they are, the greater their steady hours. And then the older they are, the fewer their steady hours. It's the same thing with age and then GPA. Most of the points are clustered down here, and then a few of them are dispersed above here, which means that the younger they are, the higher their GPA, and then the older they are, the lower their GPA. But then when you take steady hours and then GPA, you realize that most of the points are clustered, but then the slope is a positive slope because more of the clusterings are up above than below. However, the clusterings up here are not predominantly more than the clusterings below here. So you can say that the relationship is a moderate or a fairly moderate positive relationship, because the difference in the clusterings as you move up is not prominently different from the clusterings below here. That is how you interpret your scatterplot matrix. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and catch you on the next one.